Hello everyone, it's day 27 and I just wanted to do a very quick video how I started this with Copic markers and then I enhanced it with colored pencils. So let's call it mixed media. So I was doing a really fast video of this and then I'm like, okay, you guys always say please slow it down. So that's what I've done here. So I thought, gosh, well if I'm going to slow it down I might as well do a little bit of a voiceover. So I colored this when we were away after Christmas with the Copic markers, and I decided to save it because I wanted to show how I love to enhance my Copic coloring with colored pencils. So I'm doing this morning. It's nice to I always have to work one day ahead, and it's nice to get the coloring done in the morning because usually I'm up till at least 11, 12 at night. I'm finishing my coloring and then my post. So I'm like ahead of the 6 hours ahead today, which is kind of nice. I can snuggle with my husband and watch the Olympics. That is if I get my post done. Anyway, I'm not complaining. I'm just telling you how it goes. So I have dark circles under my eyes. When I was a little girl, my aunt would always comment how pale I was and why did I have such dark circles. And she's my favorite aunt, but unfortunately I have that memory. So I love using a lot of makeup. It's like painting my face every day. And so I always draw dark circles on when I do a face. I just feel like it adds more character and it's kind of representative of me. So now I'm just adding some lines with the colored pencils, and I really messed up these eyelashes. This is another 0.03 pen I'm trying. I don't really like it. It's already out of ink. It's going in the trash can. And I messed up doing this collar, and as we all know, sometimes messing up can be a happy mistake, and I didn't want to make a really wide neckline black band, so I came up with the idea to do lace. So it's really kind of a scaly lace, but either way, it's fun to do, simple, just a little, can be time consuming, and I wanted to give, I'm always talking about the nooks and crannies and how it enhances your coloring, so I had to do that with the lace, drawing some bottom lashes there, and then, you know, how lace always has those little fringe strings, so I'm adding that. You might want to notice the background. I ended up, I was just having fun this morning. My workout was canceled. I'm like, I'm just going to have fun. So notice the plain background here, but her eyebrows, I was afraid to add them, but I said, okay, Kathy, you just got to go out of your comfort zone. So I used my 0.03 and some brown and just, I can see they're not equal, but it doesn't matter, mine aren't either. So I just added little lines and colored pencils, and giving her more substantial eyebrows definitely gave her more personality. And then I kind of did a scallop on the background with the Sharpie and then the fine tip, and then I colored in the little crannies. I was having a good old time. So there she is. I did add a little bit more red to her cheeks, and that's it. So thank you for watching and for your support during this whole coloring challenge. There's a few more days left, and I don't know what I'm going to do with myself after. So see you next time.